Hello friend, today's fresh footage presents a compilation showing Russian FPV drone operators tracking enemy infantry at close range, capturing detailed aerial views as movements are monitored and engagements unfold. In the Krasno Army direction, a soldier with the call sign Tiki from the 237th Tank Regiment's assault group is seen destroying a Ukrainian infantry shelter with thermobaric munitions after the defenders refused to surrender. Thermal cameras play a critical role in areas where detecting infantry is especially difficult, such as dense forests, urban ruins, or low-light environments. By capturing heat signatures rather than relying on visible light, these systems allow operators to identify movement and positions that would otherwise remain concealed. In drone operations, thermal imaging significantly enhances situational awareness, enabling crews to monitor activity during nighttime or through visual obstructions like smoke, fog, or heavy vegetation. Even minimal heat differences can reveal the presence of personnel or equipment, making it possible to track movement with a high degree of accuracy. An FPV drone from the VT-40 group, equipped with thermal vision, detects a lone Ukrainian armed forces soldier in a forested area of the Kharkiv region. After identifying the individual, the operator chooses to disengage and fly away without initiating an engagement. The 6th Army successfully thwarted Ukrainian armed forces preparations for a counterattack near Kupiansk. UAV operators detected troop regrouping and destroyed their transport vehicles. A group of Ukrainian soldiers on ATVs had been preparing to break through the encirclement around Kupiansk before being eliminated. Man versus machine under the cover of night. The odds were clearly uneven, but the Ukrainian soldier committed fully, facing the situation without hesitation or retreat. Today's fresh footage shows the situation near the village of Novod-Mitrovka. UAV operators from the 34th Guards Mountain Motorized Rifle Brigade of the 4th Operational Tactical Group track and engage an enemy pickup truck near the settlement. A Ukrainian soldier is seen attempting to take cover inside an old residential building, using the structure for protection amid ongoing activity. 4 Ukrainian infantrymen were detected by a Russian FPV drone while moving through open ground. Searching desperately for cover, they entered a small structure near a cemetery, but their movements had already been tracked. Moments later, the drone operators launched multiple precision strikes. Explosions tore through the building, reducing it to rubble, leaving no place to hide. Don't forget to share your thoughts about the video in the comments. Subscribe and leave a like. Footage shows a Ukrainian Caesar self-propelled howitzer being engaged and disabled by multiple FPV drones. Round pushpin operation carried out by fighters from the center group. Ukrainian Armed Forces UAV control point in Stavki was destroyed using Molia missiles. UAV operators from Russia's 45th Airborne Brigade, part of the 144th Motorized Rifle Division, employed both Molia and FPV drones to strike and eliminate a complex UAV control hub belonging to Ukraine's 60th Airborne Brigade on the outskirts of Stavki. From a Russian perspective, a Tu-65 MSTB conducts a strike on a Ukrainian Armed Forces ammunition storage site, rendering the facility inoperable and highlighting the use of artillery in targeting logistical infrastructure. UAV operators tracked and destroyed a Toyota vehicle carrying one of the Ukrainian Armed Forces commanders in the area. In the footage, the passenger on the right side can be identified by his military uniform trousers. A Ukrainian Tu-S3 Akatsia self-propelled howitzer was engaged and destroyed by a fiber-optic guided drone in the Lyman sector. From a Russian perspective, surveillance units of the South Group tracked the evacuation of a wounded serviceman from the 4th Brigade near Konstantinovka, highlighting the use of modern support systems on the front line. The footage shows how the evacuation is carried out using an NRTK robotic complex, a remotely operated platform designed to move across contested terrain while reducing risk to additional personnel. As the wounded serviceman is transported away from forward positions, aerial surveillance maintains continuous observation, monitoring the movement and surrounding environment. The use of robotic systems in evacuation roles reflects the increasing integration of unmanned technology, not only in combat tasks but also in logistical and medical support. These platforms allow units to conduct recovery operations under difficult conditions, where direct access may be limited or hazardous. Russian forces conducted precision strikes on Ukrainian armed forces positions in Vovchansk. Using an LMUR Catch-39 missile, they destroyed a Ukrainian position with a single accurate hit. The target, a group of soldiers sheltering in the basement of a ruined building, was completely eliminated in the strike. In the Krasnoarmysk-Dmitrov area, FPV drone units from the Irish detachment are shown conducting coordinated operations targeting Ukrainian armed forces equipment and personnel across active positions. The footage captures how operators identify movement and maintain real-time tracking using aerial feeds, allowing for precise and timely engagements. Multiple drones appear to be deployed in sequence, ensuring continuous coverage and sustained pressure on identified targets. The Irish detachment demonstrates coordinated control and adaptability, adjusting flight paths and engagement timing based on terrain and target behavior. Their operations reflect a structured approach to drone warfare, where surveillance and engagement are closely integrated. Overall, the sequence highlights the increasing effectiveness of FPV systems in frontline operations, showcasing how specialized drone units contribute to reconnaissance, coordination, and precision targeting in the Krasnoarmysk-Dmitrov direction. In the Sumy region, near the city of Glukov, approximately 17 kilometers from the state border, a Lancet loitering munition is reported to have conducted a strike, highlighting continued drone activity in the area. The opening sequences highlight the Rubicon Center's role in coordinating drone activity, where operators conduct aerial reconnaissance, identify movement, and relay real-time intelligence to supporting units. The footage emphasizes controlled navigation, steady tracking, and the ability to maintain visual contact in complex environments. As the video progresses, additional drone teams from various operational directions are featured, each contributing segments that showcase surveillance missions, movement tracking, and precision engagement. These units operate simultaneously across different sectors, maintaining continuous aerial coverage and responding quickly to changes on the ground. Several segments demonstrate coordination between drone operators and other elements, where aerial observation is used to guide responses and adjust actions in real time. This integration enhances operational efficiency, allowing units to act with improved timing and accuracy. The footage also reflects the adaptability of drone teams as they operate across varied terrain, including open areas, forested zones, and semi-urban environments. Operators adjust their approach based on visibility, obstacles, and target movement, maintaining consistent control and effectiveness. Overall, this 5-minute roundup provides a structured and comprehensive look at drone operations for April 16th, highlighting the role of the Rubicon Center and associated units in maintaining situational awareness, coordination, and operational effectiveness across multiple directions.